Hi, this is Jeff from the Webinato support team, here to tell you about the Q&A Manager. The Q&A Manager allows you to receive and manage incoming questions from attendees in a centralized location, and makes the process quick and easy for presenters and organizers alike. To open the Q&A Manager, open the Tools menu at the bottom right of the room, and then click the Q&A Manager item. This will open the main Q&A Manager window. Here, organizers have access to all of the different settings and options for the Q&A Manager, as well as the ability to view, manage, and answer incoming attendee questions. Before starting the Q&A session, we suggest going through the main options for the tool by clicking the small gear in the Q&A Manager window. You can set the maximum number of questions an attendee can ask during the session, set whether other chat tabs are visible, in addition to some other user interface options. Once you have these set to your liking, click the Save button or click Cancel to exit without saving. Organizers can start the Q&A session by clicking the Start button. Once the session is started, attendees will be able to ask questions via the new tab in the chat area. Incoming questions will show up in the question list here. You can see who asked each question, as well as the order in which it arrived. You can also sort the questions using these criteria by clicking on the appropriate column name. Each question has a few extra options. You can set a priority and a category for each question, if so desired. For example, you can label important questions as high priority so they will stand out and can be answered first. You can also assign questions to specific presenters, so they can know when a particular question is aimed at them at a glance. Here, you can see the simplified presenters view. All new questions will have their status set to red, which means unanswered. To answer a question, simply select it in the list and look to the bottom of the window. There, you can type in an answer for the attendee to read, with all responses shown as a chat thread which will remain open as long as the question status remains open. Once a question is deemed to be adequately answered, you can click the status icon for the question and place a check mark in the box to mark the question as closed. The attendee will then see that the question thread has been closed and have the opportunity to label the answer as helpful or not, which will show as a yellow smile or a red frown to organizers. In case the number of incoming questions is very high, and you wish to only see specific types of questions, you can use the view filters at the top right of the window. Finally, you can share commonly asked or important questions to all attendees by checking the box in the Share column for specific questions. This will cause a new window to pop up on the attendees' screens that will list all of the shared questions along with their answer threads. That's about it for the Q&A Manager. Thank you for watching.